Hello, I'm going to show you guys how to use Blackboard. There are many different things that you can do with this site. So first is you go to the home page, and here you'll see the standard layout. So you have the calendar, your grades, how to send an email, goals, applications. Then you can scroll down, and then you can see you can go into your email, your unofficial transcript. You can go to the library. Down here you can see your student's schedule. There's other resources such as your printing quota, your student bill, dining plan, all of those kind of things. Then you can go over back up to the top and click courses. Here you can see all the courses that you've taken and that you are currently enrolled in. Then you can go to community. Here are just some events that will be going on. I've never actually used this, so I'm not really sure what this does. And then campus resources. Here are all the different resources that the school is offering, especially right now with the coronavirus.